Entry protocol into the courtroom is thanksgiving and praise. We cross the threshold with honor, enter his gates with thanksgiving, and his courts with praise. Psalm 100, verse 4. The court of the sovereign king, Mount Zion Division, is now in session. Let the docket be opened. Case reference DC, SUF, Psalm 23, verse 1. Hearing on the statute of sufficiency and guidance. The record before this bench reads, "The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want." Clause 1. The Lord is my shepherd. The term shepherd in Hebrew ra means to tend, to govern, to feed, to rule. It establishes jurisdiction. The supreme ruler is not a distant observer but a governing caretaker. He holds both staff and rod, the tools of provision and correction. Clause 2, I shall not want. The phrase lo exar translates to I lack nothing. It is not aspirational language but legal assertion. The citizen who acknowledges the shepherd's lordship stands under a binding guarantee of sufficiency. Lack has no standing within the jurisdiction of obedience. Clause 3, covenantal implication. When the king identifies himself as shepherd, he accepts permanent responsibility for the state of his flock. Guidance, protection, and provision flow from his office, not the merit of the sheep. Clause 4, judicial parallel. Deuteronomy 2. Verse 7 records, "The Lord thy God hath blessed thee in all the works of thy hand. Thou hast lacked nothing." Thus, Scripture establishes the shepherd's track record of total sufficiency. Therefore, I, the petitioner, appearing under lawful adoption and sealed by the governor, do hereby file this petition for sufficiency and peace. O supreme ruler, faithful and true, I appeal to the statute of Psalm 23, verse 1. You are my shepherd. Because you are, I shall not want. Lead me in paths of righteousness for your name's sake. Restore my soul from fear and fatigue. Make me lie down in green pastures of contentment. Let provision appear in its appointed time and form. Issue orders from the court that every deficiency be dismissed for want of jurisdiction. Authorize the governor to administer daily bread and wisdom for stewardship. Let peace be the currency of my house, and thanksgiving its continual offering. I renounce covetousness and fear. I receive the shepherd's governance as perfect provision. Let this petition be entered into the record as lex pleurosis, the statute of satisfaction through the shepherd's care. I acknowledge receipt by faith. I file thanksgiving as Exhibit A of enforcement, so ordered by the court of heaven through the King Jesus the Anointed, and administered by the governor, Spirit of holiness. Let the record show, I lack nothing. Lex regni. Lex caritatis, lex spiritus, filed in the archives of the kingdom, Mount Zion Division, crowned petitions, filed for enforcement in the court of the sovereign king.